attractive. We spent too long together.
We're morphing.
This is a song called Awakening, and we made a music video for it where we just drive relentlessly round the circle of grass outside my house. I sounded so southwest then. Oh, that's not southwest. Where have I gone? I've gone Welsh. Oh. We found ourselves repeating that video the other day when we left the house. So Sadie touched on this earlier. We set off for 3 days of gigs, and it's Hannah's turn to drive, so she gets to my house and we load up the gear, we drive down the road and we fill it with fuel, and then she starts the age-old, and it's like, oh, she's lost something. And she couldn't find her glasses. So we drove around, like we were in this music video. It's not okay to make me feel that, driving around in the van.
Without the Garth glasses.
And then we pulled up outside my house and they were just in the middle of the road, just staring at us, like lighting the way. And no one had run over them. It was like, what are the chances? So we got Hannah's specs and we drove to the gig. And then we finished that gig and this starts again. Oh. And then we looked everywhere for them, and Sadie's like super, super helpful, and I kind of sit there like, oh, there's no point. She will find them eventually. Like, I might look uncaring, but I know the end to this story, because I've seen this story like 20 million times. And so it was like, oh, should we just go and look in Specsavers? We met a lady that looked like your auntie. She sort of tried to give you some glasses. It's like, there's no point, they will turn up. And today, as we're driving along with Hannah's face on the windscreen, suddenly she goes, yes! And you've never seen her so happy that she found her spectacles.
So I literally earned 100 quid in the space of 3 seconds. They're in a pink box.
Where is the pink box?
On it, in the van, in the front. I know where they are. You're all safe on the road. Yeah, well tough.
I think your actual line was, I've just saved myself £100. I'm going to go shopping. She has made a spectacle of herself. And that would buy you 100 vegan Greg sausage rolls there,
Hannah. Oh my God.
Or 50 each if you're a really good friend. Okay, so this is called Awakening.
2, 3, 4.
Don't look at me like that. You know I will react. For all the times that you pushed me through that door, for all the times that I just chose to ignore. But do you have to be so cruel? You know that I will tell you now. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid it's not the key. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice. Awakening. Don't speak to me that way, 'cause I've got plenty here to say. To make it clear that it's not a state of mind, to make it known that I will not compromise with someone just so unwilling. Don't tell me what I am. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm afraid it's not the key. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice. It's not okay to make me feel that I'm not spells not the one I am. It's the template of your sin. Have you no shame when you're to blame? Tell me what's so much envy in your cause, so much resistance in your fall. I won't let you have it all. In the end, me mistakes. I'm afraid to come for you. You can't say the way I'm living. It's the template of your sin. It's not your choice. This is my voice.